All right, what up, vlog? Welcome to another day in the life of 425. Today's agenda is going to be epic, and I'm not even going to blab on about it. Today, we're going to be linking up and celebrating a good friend's birthday. You will see him here shortly before we leave. I'm just getting wrapped up with some editing for another little side project, which, I'll plug shamelessly right now. Midnight Auto right here. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, check us out on YouTube. It's a great project I'm working on with a couple friends, Nikolai and Jeff. Definitely, there'll be more to come on there. We'll kind of do like a walkthrough of the shop, kind of what we're doing on this channel as well to kind of share. But being said, yeah, today we're gonna be linking up with a friend here shortly. We're gonna go shoot something pretty cool for a couple hours. Gonna get wrapped up, come back, and then we're gonna go shoot, I guess, a couple cars together. And let me tell you this right now, they are all phenomenal in their own ways, but they're all the same car, but a different style, if that makes sense. So it's gonna be pretty cool seeing these all three together, and the colors are all very different. The contrast is gonna be insane. Enough of my blabbing, we're gonna be on the way to this first shooting location, so I look forward to bringing you guys along, and we'll see you there shortly. Officially arrived at the shooting location, and we are shooting Brian's 964. This thing is beautiful, just straight OEM plus, if anything. It's very windy, so mind the audio today. It's probably gonna be pretty brief. If anything, we're just doing a couple locations, make today worth it before we kind of link up later shooting another group of cars that'll be exceptional in their own ways. But we are kind of just running with it, shooting on the A7 III, using a CPL lens on there, no NDs needed. And we got this nice big open cul-de-sac with a road no one else is coming in on, so it'll be nice and open space. Following up on last week's vlog though, like I said, any and everything yellow, dude, looks so good. I was telling Brian, I was very adamant that this needs to stay the same color, and he was gonna let me down, but I'll let that be his downfall, not mine. So you heard that if you're watching this. But no, it's just such a classic, and it's perfect. I think it only has like 40K miles on it. I'll kind of show you guys a little bit of like the interior. But got these Recaro buckets that are really nice in it. And again, everything's very OEM plus. The yellow stitching, I love the accents that kind of bring the whole car together. And then the clusters, everything about it is just like old school. I love it. And then you got like, for example, the RPM gauge here is tilted sideways, so you can like fully see it once you're seated back. And then of course, 5-speed, which is really cool. It's been a really cool, just clean car. And then obviously like the core handles, the yellow release handles. Again, another accent that just looks so good all brought together. We just got done shooting at the last location with the 964. We're getting a little close on time, so we got to get out of here. But they cleaned up this little hidden gem of a spot, man. This used to be covered in leaves, but a street sweeper came through or something, got rid of all the leaves. But this is kind of one of my go-to spots, very close to home. This is probably like a matter of minutes from my place, matter of minutes from Brian's. So like anytime shooting, we're always coming here. But again, the yellow, dude, you can shoot this color literally anywhere and it looks so good. Now, we're just gonna get wrapped up. We're gonna head back to Brian's shop, drop off the 964, go pick up the other car, and then we gotta jam on down to Renton. We'll be linking up with a couple of friends you have seen on the channel and shoot some really good, really cool stuff here. And then after that, we're gonna go celebrate this guy's birthday right here. This guy's birthday right here. Okay, well, we'll get going. We gotta see you soon. All right, so as you guys can see, this right here is Brian's Mark V Supra. This thing is crazy. It is the Liberty Walk wide body kit that is on this. Fun fact, it actually is for sale right now. Maybe I'll drop a link to the sale description down below in the bio, but this thing is insane. Something to clarify, Fantasy Colors here, they're strictly paint. So this is not a wrap. This color looks so good. I'll need to ask him what he calls the color, has decided to call it, but it got the carbon barrel wheels on the Toyo tires, and again, this is the Liberty Walk kit, and it's like paired to some really nice carbon fiber accessories. I really like it when, like, I guess like the pillars kind of get wrapped a different color, or for this case, I mean, being all carbon fiber, it looks really good. It's a clean interior. I don't know, it's pretty fun. Like going from like the 964 to a car like this is just like the craziest thing, because the 964, it's like there's so much more feeling behind it and so much more like just age, you know, lack of better words. And this right here, I mean, these cars are just so smooth, and like on the inside, like there's so much hood up front, and it feels more of like a cockpit in here versus the other one kind of just felt like it could be like a daily almost. But so I will give you a hint. The other two cars may or may not also be Supras. We'll see if you can guess who that might be. Kind of get together with some friends I haven't seen in a little while, probably since SEMA, which has been, I think it's been like what now? 4 months, 5 months? So it'll be cool. Shoot some cars together that have are gonna be insane, that I've been dying to shoot. And the fact that I'm able to get all three of them together at the same time, that alone is a pretty rare situation. So I look forward to bringing you guys along. We're gonna go get gas for the Supra. It went to Import Expo Portland last weekend, so it's like on E, just so I could get into the show. So we're gonna scramble, grab gas, and then we're gonna get right on down to shooting with the guys. So I will see you down there shortly. Those who know, this location is absolutely goated. I'll give a shout out to Vin, F80 Dan, Nimble, all the guys showing us this spot. It's really cool. Definitely, we got the Mark V here now. Wasn't any issues driving in. As you can tell though, where are the other two cars? We're missing them. We're missing them. We beat our friends here, but we will see them here shortly. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm just gonna try to take advantage of this time while we have now, where it's not downpouring, and then we can kind of get some photos, get some videos of how it sits right now, and then I believe the other cars will be here shortly. Wait a minute! What? What is up, dude? Look, traded in Stacy, you know? No, it's like, how we doing? How we doing? I know you just got it clean, now you're driving it in the rain, but rip. You know, here it is. It's Jimmy and Vin. Figured we'd shoot all three Supras together. It's so sick seeing the different specs across the three, and like the color is so different, man. I love seeing it. It looks so good. Hey, right there, Jimmy, right there. Oh, dude, that looks so sick. Okay, well, I think it's safe to say we're gonna get to fucking filming. Gosh, shooting these three cars together has been so sick. As you can see, it's starting to rain, but we were able to get the camera out before it started coming down a little too much. But seeing all three of these colors together is so sick. And like, I mean, I don't know, there's three entirely different styled Supras, I feel like. I mean, the middle one's bagged, wide-bodied Liberty Walk. Both of these ones are static, two completely different specs, all different wings, different aero, different wheels. Like, it's not just copy and paste like most people do, I feel like. And so, yeah, I don't know, it's just cool. And then better yet, it's even cooler to say like this is a group of friends, and it's cool that we all get out on the same passion and we're all kind of crazy about it. Definitely let me know down below in the comments, well, what your favorite color is, and then no being biased. I mean, you guys saw how much I was drooling last weekend, and I think this Ruby Star low-key is still gonna take the bread for me, dude. Like, I don't know, it looks so good. And I think the yellow contrasts with it really nice. And fun fact about Jimmy, he just had this thing completely detailed and what, ceramic coated as well? Huh?
Coated.
And what are you doing?
I've been doing it since I picked up the car. It's been a month. First day I take it out, look what happens.
Rip. Good old Washington. Good old Washington. No, I haven't filmed a ton out here while we've been shooting, but it's just been dumping and it's been nice. I haven't seen Vin and Jimmy in quite a while. And where we're going to celebrate Brian's birthday is literally just right over there at Top Golf. So we're probably gonna get wrapped up here in a little bit and maybe slowly work our way down this parking garage and get a couple last spots.
Are we back in too?
Yeah, and then kind of back into the right like that. Straight back. Crank this way. All right, I got the cars reorientated for one last shot of some photos and videos. And plus now we're not standing in the rain, which is nice. Oh my God.
Say, ooh.
Yes. It kind of goes hard though. It does.
Hey, there's yellow headlights.
There is. There's consistency. I see the pattern. I see the pattern. I see the pattern. Bye. All right, we're officially rolling out and gonna be taking it easy for the night.
Hey, did I hit anything on that? Yeah. Oh, it did.
Many hours later.
All right, we are finally leaving Top Golf. It is midnight. We had princess parking in the Mark V. Top Golf, I absolutely took nothing but L's tonight, but we will live to see another day. We're gonna be en route to go home, grab the 8.6, and we'll make our way home. So I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, as you can see, we have made it home safely, regardless of the rain. You know, I know today was a bit, you know, erratic. Let me know down in the comments if this kind of style of vlog is something you guys would like to see, or if there's something a little more you'd like to see. I'm just really excited to kind of do this with you guys. On the 86, there's some more stuff coming up here for the vlog. We got a couple accessories and stuff I need to install. I'm still sitting on a Vertex steering wheel from the Vertex event that was in Japan, which was at the Mobara track circuit, which was sick. We still got a diffuser to install from Infamous Aero. We still got side skirt extensions to install from Infamous Aero, and we still need to wrap my roof, and I plan on doing that. So now that we're in a garage space, I don't know, we'll do it here, or maybe we'll do it at the shop. We'll find out. One thing I do plan on doing a better job of on future reference of vlogs like I did today, as in shooting with a car, cool location, is I would like to dive into the car a little more, maybe kind of talk about like year, make, model, fun facts about it, any of the work put into it, and like intentions or something. But, you know, it was nice, and like I said before, man, like at the end of the day, we are here to only improve each time, and as long as we can make these observations to do better, that's all you can ask for. I just want to say thank you very much for watching if you made it through the whole video. Definitely make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, the whole deal. And I'll look forward to catching you guys in the next one. Peace.